Welcome to Starkville, Mississippi's college town virtual walking tour, where we're exploring the heart of Starkville, one district at a time. From historic neighborhoods to vibrant downtown streets, there's so much to discover. In downtown Starkville, University Drive becomes Main Street once Starkville City Hall comes into view. Newly revitalized and full of energy, this nearly half-mile walking stretch features some of the very best of Starkville in a central, accessible location. With plenty of shopping, dining, and charming businesses lining both sides, nothing compares to the heartbeat of Mississippi's college town. Whether you're browsing local boutiques, grabbing a bite from a beloved neighborhood restaurant, or simply taking in the sights, Main Street delivers on every visit. The community comes alive here in every season. From events at the Hub Plaza to annual celebrations like Pumpkin Palooza and the King Cotton Crawfish Boil, thousands of people visit Main Street throughout the year because something good is always happening here. And when the sun goes down, the lights on Lafayette Street are a view in themselves. The glow transforms the streets into something magical. Murals are woven through Main Street as well, offering walkers a chance to pause, reflect, and connect with the community that created them. Pieces celebrating community unity, Starkville favorites, storybook stairs, and greetings from Starkville offer the perfect photo opportunity or simply a quiet spot to stop and admire. From local favorites to traditional staples, Main Street is a charming, welcoming stretch where everyone wants to be. However you choose to spend your time here, you'll leave knowing that some of Starkville's best is always right on this street. From Russell Street to the Cotton District, Midtown, and Main Street, our town has something for everyone. Plan your visit today at starkville.org. This project is supported in part by funding from the Mississippi Main Street Association.